How many boring books did you have to read back in school? Now, if you were paid every day for doing just that, reading, I know it won't be so boring anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money reading books online. It's a really easy way to make some extra cash, and all you need is a computer or mobile device. I'm also going to show you how to sign up for these websites that will pay up to $300 to read aloud. It seems like a pretty straightforward way to make some extra money, but you'd need to learn how to do it correctly, and you've taken the first step by watching this video. Congratulations! This method is available in any country on the planet and will only take you a few minutes to set up. So sit back, relax, and watch how to make money reading books. About a year ago, Olivia was seated where you are right now on the other side of that screen. No skill, no job, no degree, just a phone in her hand, and then she realized that was all she needed. Fast forward to today, I am going to be teaching you just how you too can easily make money online like Olivia, or should I say, make money Olivia. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you could be the very first to watch every new update I have for you on how to make money online. It's one thing to learn how to earn money online and another to start taking action. Go ahead and leave a like on this video so you can always come back to rewatch some of my exact steps when you begin your journey. You can also leave a comment down below on any concerns, questions, and opinions about the video. Now, let's make some money. Let's begin by making our way to Amazon.com to just browse around for a few audiobooks you like. Keep in mind, however, that you can make a lot of money online from every one of these audiobooks, perhaps hundreds to thousands of dollars. You do not need to do any graphic design, publish any books, or have any technological knowledge or experience. Seen some that look good? Just take note of them. We'll be right back. Open a new tab and search for scx.com. This platform called SCX basically assists you in converting your book into an audiobook and having the piece published on a variety of platforms such as Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. All of the articles will be published on this website and people will go there to purchase the audiobook, but we won't exactly be publishing any ebooks in this video. We would in fact do is make money reading books online. $300 to read aloud. Head over to this tab on top that reads How It Works. Hovering over this option would pop out a drop-down menu where you would click on Narrator. A narrator is the term given to a person who delivers comments, narrates an event, or reads books aloud. Let me quickly demonstrate how it works. The first step is to sign up on ACX and create a profile that details your acting and audiobook experience. Don't worry if you don't have any experience, you will not have to read any of the books yourself. I have an amazing tool to tell you about very soon, just keep on watching. Step number 2, upload different reading samples. When you create a free account, you may basically use that amazing tool I'd show you soon to get a voice reading books out loud. You're free to read in different accents, languages, genres, or styles. If you submit this to ACX, you will be paid. Once you've uploaded an audio sample to acx.com, you'll be able to choose from a number of different payment methods and cash out options. You can be paid via bank transfer, PayPal, cryptocurrency, Payoneer, and a few others. There are also 2 methods of getting paid. You can either choose to be paid per completed hour or split royalties 50-50 with the client you would be reading for. The first method, which is the finished hour rate, means that for every minute you read off the screen, you'll be paid per minute or per hour. While the second option is to get a commission of sales on the finished product of the published book. Imagine that every single individual who buys the audiobook does so on Amazon. You would be getting a 50% royalty on that for the rest of your life. Those are the 2 options you have for getting paid and withdrawing your profits. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on. Before that, you must go through an audition, which is a really simple task. You must choose any of their available ebooks, read aloud, and submit the audition samples to them. Once they approve you, you'll be able to work and get paid every day. Don't worry, I'll teach you a completely free tool to use so you won't have to read any of the script, and you won't need any microphones, cameras, or other equipment. Moving on with how you can make money reading books, I'll show you a free audition sample that you can submit. There are almost 2,000 audition samples for various ebooks. As you can see, they'll give you a script like this to read through. After you submit it, they'll approve you and pay you. This is an example of an audition script. They expect regular individuals to begin reading the script with a microphone and hours on it. But not you, my lovely viewer. You would go to a site called GetWoord.com. Proceed to click on this top right link that says Online Reader. Go ahead to copy and paste the complete script into this box, and just below, you can choose any voice that you want. For example, you can select a voice with a German accent with different pronunciations. I can also select a voice from Poland. Even better, I can select a male or female voice. Let's say I choose this voice right here. I would go back to my script and highlight everything from there, paste it here, and click on Speak It. Then you would be able to listen to audio samples. Using the power of artificial intelligence technology, GetWoord will read the script in a very genuine voice for you, and with the option of selecting any voice. This is completely automated. You can listen to what you created over here and readjust unlimited times until you're satisfied. When you're happy with it, simply click the free download button to save the audio file to your phone or computer, and then go over to submit the sample on ACX to kickstart your journey to make money reading books. Little bonus tip I have for you today, and that can be found on Fiverr.com. Now, basically, I'm looking for the keyword voiceover. If you click the search button, you'll be taken to a page where you can locate different freelancers on Fiverr. They'll provide a variety of services for recording a voiceover sample. Of course, you can find sellers who will price between $5 and $10, and this is where the magic happens. You don't have to actually pay this person just yet. I want you to scroll down below and look for contact, click on it, and send a message to the person asking if they would be willing to do a free demo for you. If yes, simply forward the audition script to them and receive your free demo in a couple minutes. Then you can go ahead to upload it on ACX and begin to make money reading books. Once you do that though, it's only ethical to compensate the voiceover artist on Fiverr for their demo work, so please ensure you do that. In any case, the earning potential on ACX.com is limitless. There's a lot of money to be made here. The registration process is actually rather straightforward. You can log in your existing Amazon account or create a new one by providing your name, email address, and password. And that's it, how to make money reading books. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and most importantly, make money. Olivia, I love you.